All right, so now what we need to do is we need to transfer this teeny tiny bit of KHP into our flask. And we want every single one of these particles to get here, because remember, we're looking for like really high accuracy and precision. So if you can see, and you can see, man, these little particles kind of bounce out of here. I've got it folded in half so that they're kind of down in the crease, but every time I touch this, they're kind of bouncing out. So have your students not move them too much. I'm going to try to tip it down. I might lose some, but that's okay. We can take care of that. Or this is, we're not doing this for real. So then what I'm going to do is, I can pour it in here, and that's nice, but for certain there are still crystals that are stuck there. So I'm going to take my squirt bottle, and this is probably going to block your view, but you don't need to see the crystals. So I'm just going to squirt this down. It's kind of a waxy paper. And remember, the amount of water that's in this flask doesn't matter. What's more important is the amount of KHP. So rinsing this in here, sure, that's going to change the total volume of water, but it does not matter at all. Okay, then we just have to stir this up, add the rest of the water, and get it to dissolve.